Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cream-style corn from fresh corn. Start by shucking and cutting kernels off the cob into a large bowl. Reserve a few cobs for simmering to add natural starch and flavor. Measure out milk, butter, and a bit of sugar to balance sweetness. Chop onion finely and prepare a blender or food mill for partial pureeing to create that silky, creamy texture. Begin by melting butter in a wide skillet over medium heat and sauté the chopped onion until translucent. Stir in the corn kernels, a splash of milk, and a pinch of salt to keep the mixture moist. Cook gently, stirring frequently, until kernels soften and release their starch. Use a potato masher or pulse briefly in a blender to achieve partial creaminess while keeping some whole kernels for texture and mouthfeel. Transfer a portion of the cooked corn to a blender and pulse until smooth, then return it to the skillet to combine with the whole kernels. Stir in cream or more milk gradually to reach your preferred thickness, and simmer briefly to meld flavors. Taste and season with salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar if needed. Finish with a pat of butter and optional fresh herbs for brightness before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.